Hey guys, I'm Rita from Harvest Machinery Company. Let's check out the 4-ton full hydraulic double drum roller LTC204. Great for road and set work. The LTC204 have a total weight of 4 tons. It has a short turning radius, making it perfect for both normal urban streets and larger construction sites. It's powered by a Tier 3 Changchai engine with 26.5 kilowatts, ensuring strong performance and high fuel efficiency. The steel drums have diameters of 700 mm and width of 1,300 mm, applying even pressure for great compaction on asphalt, gravel, or soil. Vibrating drums are equipped with mud scrapers and a water sprinkler device, ensuring efficient cleaning and proper wetness control during operation. Choose the LTC204 for reliable and efficient compaction. If you are interested and want to learn more, connect me on WhatsApp.